Wait for the Lord, be strong and take heart and wait for the Lord. Psalm 27 verses 14. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's recipe, I share with you the Ghanaian street style Indomie recipe. Oh boy, it is always good when you buy from the street, but it never tastes as good when you make it at home. If you find yourself in that situation, make sure you watch this recipe because your next Indomie recipe that you're going to make at home is going to taste as good as the ones you buy in the streets. So please take your pen and paper. Stay tuned because you are in for a surprise. This was absolutely so delicious. Let's get started. So to begin with, I have my Indomie noodles. I'm using 5 packs for this, okay? And I also have my vegetables. I selected some cabbage, bell peppers, onions, and I also have some baked beans. Oh yes, you heard me right. I am using some baked beans in my Indomie recipe. And I also have some corned beef, eggs, seasoning, and some oil. There's a surprise with the seasoning part, so stay tuned. I'm going to bring about 1 liter of water to a boil. This is the water that we are going to be using in cooking our Indomie noodles. All right, so once I'm done, I'm going ahead to just chop all the choppables. I'll be chopping my yellow onions and also my yellow bell peppers, the red ones, and the cabbage as well. All right. Please, as you are watching, do not forget to give me a thumbs up because this recipe, it will be so good and you're going to love it forever. All right, so also you can use your favorite vegetables of choice, but do not omit the cabbage. It's going to give you that crunchy feeling that you need in your noodles. So we are done. All beautiful. So I am going to also crack my eggs and season it and also whisk it very well. We are prepping it, okay? As you can see, we are prepping all our ingredients, and it is also very important to prep all your ingredients before you start cooking. It makes cooking less stressful. All right, so in my wok pan, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of oil and just allow it to be nice and warm, and then I'll begin with my scrambled eggs. All right. So this scrambled egg should take you just about 2 minutes. We don't want it to be extremely dry, okay? So once it's done, go ahead and add your chopped onions. Allow this to also release a beautiful aromas and also sweet taste to the eggs. And about 2 minutes later, add in all your chopped vegetables. Stir around, make sure that everything is well incorporated. And then add your preferred seasoning. I'm going in with some vegetable seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and a pinch of salt. All right, you'll then go ahead and mix everything to combine. Allow it to simmer for a minute, and you go in with your corned beef now. If you're not a fan of corned beef, you may also use sardines. They are great here as well. Okay, make sure everything is well incorporated, and the sardines are going to dissolve, bringing it a little bit of juices here as well, which I absolutely love. Okay, allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on its own. All right, this is so tasty. So while waiting, I'll just go ahead and in my boiled water add in my packs of Indomie noodles. All right, so this should take you just a little bit over 4 to 5 minutes. Honestly, I do not just want it to be too saggy, so I went ahead to cook it for just 4 minutes. And what I like to do with my Indomie once it's done is I'll then go ahead and rinse it with cold water. Rinsing with cold water really helps if you do not like to enjoy saggy noodles. I do not like it at all. It really turns me off. Okay, so if you like me, go ahead and rinse it with cold water. It just gives the noodles a bit more structure and texture. Okay, so now I'm going to add it all in here, mix everything to combine. Make sure you are very gentle with it. Okay. And for the final but not the least ingredient, I'm going to add my baked beans. Now, this is what makes it so Ghanaian. We know Ghanaians salad, they add baked beans and stuff. I also added some pepper. This is some suya pepper. It is so good. If you don't have suya pepper, just go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of powdered pepper and it will be fine. Okay, mix everything together for more crunchiness. Add in some chopped spring onions. Give everything a mix. Allow it to simmer for a minute and you should be good to go. And if you're not picky with your seasoning, go ahead and add your Indomie seasoning here at this point and you should be fine. As we all know, Indomie goes hand in hand with some omelette, so I went ahead to just make some too. We are ready to serve after just a little over 50 minutes. This dish was ready. It is so nice and quick and very delicious. So there you have it. The recipe for your Ghana Indomie is here. Now you can make it right at the comfort of your home, and that is my main goal all the time. I really hope you pick something home. I hope you learned a thing or two. If indeed you did, please give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family, and also comment below and let me know how you like it. All right, so there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching once again, and if this is your first time here, hello. My name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and do not forget that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.